So on the home screen below the chef's head we find our cookbook, and in the cookbook you find already some profiles from factory, but of course in the other video you saw how easy and simple it is to write the profiles and store to make your own experience easy to repeat for everybody. And the cookbook has actually 3 chapters. We have favorites, what makes sense when you have products, what you're doing frequently on a daily basis, like steaming rice, steaming vegetables, you can set them on favorite. You have categories, where you can create your own categories to sort the cookbook easier. You can make vegetable, sides, meat, seafood, whatever you want. And on the icon number 3, A to Z, you find all the profiles what are actually stored on your Max unit. And it's easily, you can scroll up and down. And when we look, we wrote before a profile for croissants. So here we see now, we see the picture. So every profile what is in here, the beauty is you just have to tap it. It's language free, you're working with picture, it's all icon driven, and you see all the settings. It doesn't matter if it's 1-stage profile, 3-stage profile, 10-stage profile, all the settings, all your experience for the perfect quality is stored inside. The only thing what you have to do, tap the start button. If the unit is not preheated, it would go in preheating. If the unit is ready, open the door, load in the product, close the door, and the croissants is getting continuously repeated in the same product quality whoever is actually operating the Max. Okay, let's stop the profile, but I think it shows you easily how simple it is to actually start a profile. Let's go back. And we are back in the cookbook, and now I would like to show you how to sort and how to create your own categories to make your life easier. Remember, when you write a profile, you will always find it in the folder A to Z. And I mean, you can write a lot of profiles, 399 profiles, but as more profiles you are writing, as more you have to look, scroll up and down. And you can make your life easier if you sort them in categories, for example. And therefore, we are going now to the center one, categories, and I see the pen for adding. Tap there, and now I can choose the plus to create a new category. And let's call them sides. Sides. We confirm it. We can also give, like writing the profile, the category in own pictures. And for sides, let's take some grilled peppers. Confirm this. Now we have a new category. But the category right now is empty. Of course, we just created it. So we go back. We go inside now the sides category, and we are seeing nothing. It's empty. We are tapping adding again. And now we see all the profiles what we find under A to Z, and I can choose all the profiles what I need in the category for sides. So let's have a look. We have brown rice, we want to have corn, we want to have some steamed items, French fries, and you always see what you selected. There is a small little green tick on the side. And we choose something else. Potatoes. You confirm it, and now you see all the selected profiles when you go back in the sides category are there now. So from here on, when we go back on the home category side, you see all the different categories. You can make, like I said, more for seafood and so on. And now when you say, I'm looking for French fries, what are French fries? It's a side dish. You're going on sides, fries, immediately the profile is there. You press start, the unit goes in preheating to create the right environment for the fries. And like I mentioned before, whoever is doing the fries, they will be always the same without actually talking about time, temperature and cooking method. Thank you very much for your attention. Have great fun with your Max and see you soon.